Oh boy, here we are, a day from 4 weeks old, and we're eating our solids, and we're loving it. We're loving it. Oh boy. Now, I'm very pleased with myself with this new idea, which is a whelping pool. Oh, here, little Rain. I'll turn you around, honey. Look at this, because I know Zach's going to be in there getting everything. What about you two little branders? Here you go. Trying to do the video, but oh, there you go. See? See? Wow. Very yummy. Don't let anybody push you away. Although there isn't a skinny one of these elephants in the bunch. So I think I might get a bigger whelping pool. And I think this is a great idea. These are the smaller whelping pools. But I love it because now when they're done, I'm going to just put them on the pee pads. But instead of putting giant mats down and having them track everything, which they'll still do a little, this is going to make my cleanup a lot easier. Look at you guys. You're taken to this like fish to water, which I wasn't surprised. Look at you go. Oh boy, I think Sammy's a king eater there. He's got the white spot on his head. And then some of the girls, and of course Zach right next to Sammy. And these other three probably going to do great. I think if we have any skinny one, or not skinny, but it might be my little precious Iris. My small, oh, are you, no, you're Dolly. I always get those two confused till they look a lot alike. My neighbor thought they were triplets on 3 of these girls. Anyway, I'm going to sign off so I can help these little nuggets and be ready to also wash their paws. But I knew that a few of you would be very interested in seeing our eating video. Look at the face of that one. It reminds me of when my actual girls, human girls, were eating, and we let them have a lot of freedom, and so they made enormous messes, which is why we spaced them 4 years apart. One of the reasons. My sweet little Chelsea, if you're listening to this now, who's almost 30 years old, was one of the most creative eaters ever. She liked all sorts of vegetarian food and also meat, but not as much. And then she would throw her food and put her fingers in her. I mean, she was a pro. We never had the baby food either. And this mix, just quickly, is what I've always used, Breeder's Edge Foster Care, which is a milk-based replacer. And I don't really do the goat's milk thing. And then also baby rice cereal and ground beef. And that's it. And it's going over well. And I'll have Willow come do cleanup duty in a minute. All righty.